Hey guys, I'm Chris with Chris the Fit Guy, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you the steps you should take when you buy a new weightlifting belt, because it's going to be extremely stiff. I've already used this quite a few times, but it does need further breaking in. So let's just go ahead and go through the steps to break in your new leather weightlifting belt or powerlifting belt. So go ahead and press the subscribe button for upcoming fitness advice. First, you're going to have to fold your straight belt. There you go. Next, you need to roll the belt as tight as you can. Right there. Hold it for a second. Now the opposite side. Do it on both sides. Be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try. Third step. You're gonna face the belt against the ground, and you're gonna fold it just like this.
To stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this.
Both sides.
Don't try to stop me, never ain't an option, so I be cautious.
Now, you can grab the belt, roll it tightly one way, as tight as you can.
Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous.
And now we're going to fit it into a cubby or a small spot where the belt can sit and stay overnight. It is the next day, so now you want to install the hardware that came with the belt. I already have a spot because I've used it quite a few times before. I should have definitely broken the belt more before I started using it, but I just got kind of too excited. Be sure you break it in when you first get the belt. It'll feel a lot better and you won't get as many bruises as I did on my body. Since I already have a spot, I've already put in the hardware. I'm just going to put it in the same spot. But ideally, you want the belt to be tight when you finally latch it. So what you do, grab your hardware and go ahead and put it in a location that you think will be good for your waist. Because you don't want it too tight, but you also don't want it too loose. Grab yourself a flathead and tighten the bolts a little bit. Do not tighten them all the way. Go ahead and put the belt around your waist. I put my belt where the end of the front leather piece is in line with my belly button. My belly button's right here. Now, let's see if this is tight enough. For me, that is tight enough. It's definitely a little tight, but it's not crazy tight. I can expand my stomach to really expand and flex my stomach to bring a lot of force and stability in my back. So you don't want it too tight where you're not able to do that. Do you want some breathing room? I think ideally you want to be able to fit like a thumb or your finger in there pretty comfortably, and I can. So you figure out your spot and tighten it all the way. Now that's how you properly break in your new weightlifting belt. Make sure you don't put the hardware on the belt where it's way too tight, where it's hard for you to breathe, because you want to bring in enough breath to expand your stomach and really bring the force against the belt, allowing it to do its proper job. So once again, if you want to stay tuned with my upcoming fitness advice, go ahead and press the subscribe button. And if this video helped you out, press the like button. By now, 2 videos should be popping up. Be sure you check them out. Now, always appreciate one another. I'll see you next time.